Dear students of academics and competitive exams of English, students in this lecture 3 English version lecture, we welcome you in our writing section. Students, in this writing section, you are going to learn how to write an essay. Students, this is M. Rahman and you are attending ORSC classes of English language. Please, to continue your all the subjects related to writing section, please subscribe our channel ORSC classes of English language. And if you like our lectures, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Now students, let's resume the topic how to write an essay. Before we learn how to write an essay, let's understand first what is definition of essay. What is an essay? An essay is a literary composition, usually in prose. However, literal meaning of the word essay means to attempt. As you can see on the board, an essay is an effort. An essay can be written on any subject on earth. Therefore, the subjects of essays aren't confined to any specific area. That is why the scope of writing essays is unlimited. Students, an essay is an effort, as you know, at expressing one's views on a subject. Views can be projected in a style and tone chosen by the writer or by you. Students, the tone may be humorous, serious, ironic, factual. Essay presents a composite picture of a person's thought process on a specific topic. The different stages on a specific topic, students, can be chosen by you. First, collect a few points. Second, arrange them in a suitable order. Next, explain each point in a para. Revise the essay. Keep the title in mind. Every essay has a plan and you should have a plan in your mind. Tone should be decided and adopted by you. Clarity of the expression. Don't copy others. Means you should have your own style of writing essay. Don't copy others. Don't number the paragraphs. Conclusion and summing up. Now students, let's take some further expressions related to these points. Now students, under the point to collect a few points on a topic chosen, the points may be facts, anecdotes, illustrations, quotations, and then students arrange them in a suitable order. In B part, sequentially, classification, comparison, contrast, cause, effect and relationship. Students, in part 3rd, explain each point in a paragraph. Explain each point in a paragraph. Now you will have to learn how to write a paragraph. Rules of a paragraph must be observed. Revise the essay. Revise the essay. Students, in this expression, grammatical accuracy and punctuation should be observed. And the next point, keep the title in mind. Students, don't deviate from the topic. Means you should go according to the title and substantiate, elaborate on a topic that you have opted without going beyond on the specific scope. Every essay should have a plan. Students, as it is given every essay has a plan related to it, you must come to know each paragraph must be linked to the succeeding one, means to the next paragraph, with linkers and the transition from one paragraph to the next one smoothly. Students, tone should be decided and adopted by you. Tone should be decided and adopted by you. Tone is a manner in which you are writing the essay. Before putting your pen to the paper, you make sure what tone you are going to use. Next, clarify the expression. In the foremost quality of a good essay is to clarify the expression. Means whatever you are writing should be understood to the reader. Avoid slang or colloquial, informal language or informal expressions. Student, don't use first person in examination. However, not bad, it can be used, but you try to avoid first person if you are not writing any personal essay. Students, don't copy the mannerism of the other writers. Write an essay as naturally as possible and try to develop your own style with practice in writing. Student, don't number the paragraphs. Means you should not put 1, 2, 3 numbers before the paragraphs, and don't give subtitles. Means you don't give subheadings in black color. Single sentence paragraph should be avoided. You should write more than 2 or 3 sentences in each paragraph. Make opening sentences brief and striking. It must not be. It must not begin with a pronoun. It means the beginning of a sentence should not be begun with a pronoun that refers to the titles. Begin with a general observation on the topic, on an on an interesting anecdote related to it, or the definition of the title. Next point under this point is the first paragraph must be clearly indicated and delimit to the topic discussed. Means you should explain this. And the students, and now the conclusion. Instead of ending an abrupt note, means in place of ending just in the name of finishing, you reasonably end it. One should conclude the essay impressively with a summing up or the quotation from some well known source, or with a statement of the writer's own opinion should be written. Means you should conclude in this way. Students, the types of essays are descriptive essays. Descriptive essays means in these essays you describe some happening, mishappening, just like fire accident, a flood situation, a desert, a horrifying dream, fads and facilities, your favorite shopping complex. Students, in this second type of essay, which is narrative essay, in this narrative essay, students, you can write your adventure in a new place, and on another point, how you taught the class in your teacher's absence, a parachute landing, how you played and won the game, your experience when you were caught in the dark room. Means whatever you faced, you can narrate in your own words. Student, third type of essays are reflective essays, and reflective essays are based on your concepts and thinking. In supposition, necessity is the mother of invention are the topics. Health and character are the twin essentials of a man. And the next topic under this reflective essay may be learning is a lifelong process. Virtue has its own reward. Students, next is argumentative essay. On this argumentative essay, students, there may be two types of views in favor or against. Then you can choose, and the essays may be science is a panacea for all evils. Maybe you are in favor or not. Communication and mass media have brought the people together. The best things in life are to be free, and the important part of our life are trees. Great talkers are never great doers. It is a glorious thing to be alive in a world today. Students, personal essays, just like a fellow traveler, and students, biographical essay in which you write something about you. I hope students you will attempt an essay. However, in the examination of UP board, we see the essays are written in headings. Generally, students, it is said that we should not write headings, and those headings should be written in paragraphs. I hope students that you have liked this lecture and you have understood very well. Please, if you like, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and please continue to watch to get all the stuff of writing section. Students, please subscribe our channel RSC classes of English language, and all the topic related to your board examination you can find and you can collect from our Instagram, and you can go to our Insta mehfwz.rehman.359. Student, that's all. I hope you like this lecture. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for AC classes of English language. Thanks.